This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Rachel Stringer. Entertaining friends on the spacious back patio, cooking up meals in a breeze with a gas stove stop, or enjoying the greenery on the serene neighborhood paths, 3427 Westham Lane has your needs and wants covered. This bright end-unit townhome within the highly regarded community of Whitehall offers 3 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a primary closet you have got to see in person. No matter if you are cleaning up after a happy hour with friends or prepping meals for the week, dishes are completed with ease in the large farmhouse sink to accompany the expansive kitchen and dining room area. Jetting up to Richmond for the day or heading down to the heart of Colonial Williamsburg takes no time at all, with Whitehall being just minutes from I-64. Come experience all that 3427 Westham Lane has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Stringer at 757-220-9500.